Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Huawei P20 Pro. Now, there are two variants upon there. The first variant racks 128GB of storage and the second variant racks 256GB of storage. These kind of devices, they are all old devices. What do I mean by old? Yes, Abdul is a little bit not that same great. I know you're feeling it right now, but well, they are almost like 6 months to 5 months old. The ingredient which you get upon this kind of device is a 6GB of RAM, and you get that kind of MUI which is 8.1. Now, covering all of them, the two variants, it will be a little bit tricky, but if we got some time, we can just continue with that. So the first variant, as I said, it has a 6GB of RAM and it has a 40 megapixel camera. Now, we all love selfie, we love cameras, and we have been there getting that shot, and you're like, whoa, this is an amazing shot which comes from the camera. And even if your friend has a DSLR, you still complaining my photo runs the best than yours. We are all been there. So yeah, that's what's up. So another kind of stuff upon the Huawei P20 Pro is the way the MUI really changed. The MUI really changed from the classic, what I mean by classics, the one which is standard MUI, to up to 8.1. So it has been a journey, or a very long journey, for Huawei to adapt that kind of ecosystem of their own kind of ecosystem, improving the MUI, what I mean here, and the Android which comes with it. Remember guys, each MUI must come with a different type of Android, or they can just leave that kind of version. If it's 7.1, it may be 7.5. That's by my own perspective. We have always been there, purchasing a certain device with a certain amount, and you're asking yourself, I'm tossing my money, all of them there, and I'm not getting that kind of test which I want from the device. What do I mean here? You may just buy a device which costs a lot of money, and you're explaining yourself, why did I just did this kind of decision? Well, on the Huawei P20, you get what you get. What do I mean here? You get what you get. You pay what you get, and you get what you get. The phone has a USB Type-C, and not only that, it gives you even a wireless charging. We have seen it a lot on the Huawei images sharing with us, that you can charge phones. Like, you pair them, you bundle all of them together, and you get that kind of juice. Now, it's something which is a little bit like an upgrade to the Huawei ecosystem, and it's so great when it comes to that kind of stuff, which is so legit. So the Huawei P20 Pro, it has a lot of kind of stuff when it comes to processor. Now, processor, it rocks the Silicon Kirin 970. Now, it's a little bit kind of different when you hear about processor, and some of you guys care about processor, and some of you just care about that kind of selfie camera. Yeah. So another kind of stuff upon the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, it's the way the ecosystem of their own kind of design. I mean, the redesign of the body looks so great, captured me. At the back, it looks black, and it's even reflects the other environment and the other ecosystem upon the Huawei Mate. Why did they just not change the name? Because I keep on saying the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. That phone is a crispy phone too. The Huawei P20 Pro has a back panel at the back which reflects, as I said, and it has a good kind of design. Now, the design of the body, it's so nice and it's so great, and you need a cover there. So if you get this kind of device, make sure that you keep it a cover, you keep that glass protector on it because of safety, and it's so great. So yeah, this is the Huawei P20 Pro, and this was my first impression, and I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of images I did. Yeah. shot it from the low lightning, which I mean it's a low lightning, and another kind of image I shot it with the lightning. Now you can see there's a difference between low lightning image and a lightning image, and there are little tons of professional modes on the camera side. Now those kind of professional modes on the camera side gives you a tremendous or amazing kind of filter upon your videos. I mean, whenever you take a shot or a video, you get those kind of good impression upon it. Yeah, these are the coverage of how I did it. And check out this kind of selfie. I hope you like it. I tried vlogging actually with the selfie. It was a wedding and I just had to do it. Yeah. So testing it on the front camera looks a little bit kind of lightning. It's not that much great, but it advises me whenever I just want to twist some beautification on the mode. I find it so great. The Huawei P20 Pro, it's working the best of the camera. So yeah, this is at the wedding place whereby I thought that I could just get inside and test it because Abdul is on the vlog. Yeah, if you're watching this video, just know that vlog day 26 has already passed already, and this is another kind of video. So yeah, that's what's up. I hope you guys enjoyed that kind of an amazing kind of vlog on the selfie. Now, as you can see, the camera of the front is actually not playing that kind of role, which it might be so great. What do I mean here? The lighting is a little bit not that much adjusted. So I was thinking automatically the AI camera will just do some adjustment for me instead of me doing all the adjustment. And remember guys, the front camera has a 1080p camera, which to my own aspect, it's 2018. I can't complain on that. Still, selfie camera are a lot better improved than the other kind of days, which they were not that much improved. Yeah, that's for sure. So this is the Huawei P20 Pro, and these are my impression. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, you know what to do. Throw that thumbs up. If you're new here, my name is Abdulrahim12. Don't hesitate to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.